Our short phrase and sentence for you today is hapụ ya ebe ahụ. Hapụ ya ebe ahụ. Hapụ ya ebe ahụ, which means leave it there. Just as we leave our tea inside the water for a while, and when we say this to you, there are a number of ways you can respond. You can simply say, Rue mbole. Rue mbole, which means till when? Till when? Hapụ ya ebe ahụ, rue mbole. Leave it there, till when? Please pay attention to the color of each word, as they are meant to give you idea of their individual meanings. This, we think, will assist you to be able to write the Igbo language in addition to speaking it. So pay attention to them, try writing it, and practice pronouncing it properly. And as you do, step out there, tell somebody, hapụ ya ebe ahụ, and expect a response like Rue olembe or Rue mbole. And as you do, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss our next upload. Also like and comment so that I can help others discover this and prepare to serve you better. God bless you.